Morning, Lester, listen to me. I never sent out any video. I wouldn't do that. Me not put people life in a jeopardy, so me not mash up people life. I would not do that. Me wouldn't do that. The man not do me nothing for me do that to the man. The man tell me fi video him. And me ask him, me say, you sure? And he say, yes, me fi video him because he like them little video something there. Right? And he said, when me video it, me fi send it come give. Me never send out the video to nobody else away from him. Or when me send it go give, me delete it out of my phone. Me not have it. Since now, me I get it back in my phone. Me a no idiot. Me no ramp with people like that. I did not send out that video. I would not have done that to him. I would not do it. Him tell me fi video it because he like them little video something there. Me ask him if he sure and he say yes, me fi video him. Him give me permission.
No, so like back now, him terrible man. The man now come up here with brother. No man. Squaddy not after go on so. Squaddy can ease up some of my time. Blood slap. Me say Squaddy they like him die like him. I say blood slap me. Like him man tongue stuck at him and I say pussy clap me tongue can't go no further man. And the man say pussy. No sir. No. A history. Let after give him a promotion. No man not supposed to name pussy and still a constable. No. Unbelievable. Pussy clap.
Yo. The first question I ask the man, dog, if the man never say, yo, the woman a video him. The man I say, yo, no. We say, yo, phrase a liar tell. Because me know I want pen or one little camera woman must use. I must have phone. So in all I'm excitement, me know he never business.
No, so like back now, him terrible man. The man now come up here with brother.
Me and you, we forget award. You see we not get an award this year? We not come back, boy. Me and you deserve award, boy. What me say? What we deserve? Award. When? No. Alright. Me and you sit down right there, so I say, alright. Uno girl, video the thinking mouth boy, then when the man your mouth on the pussy, then wicked just stick with you there. Me say the boy, oh the man a finger fuck and hey, the man tongue a move nice. Fast, busy like a 90. This man here suck pussy for a good way. Hey, a minute, him and us, hey, people, looking at my face. Me know a pussy name when me see them. This man not try for name pussy. Man know how to do it. This man here name pussy. Wow, the man forget for that the name the way name out the girl pussy. Him forget a fucking medal. So no for name out on the girl pussy boy. Oh no boy, make sure say hey, every girl him man pit up in a that girl. In a that and a finger that and a name that and a rub up in a lick out. Oh that in a paper. No joke. Man a deal with me I say bomba. Bow. My brother, as a suck pussy G, me say yo. Me say Taki, you know of name pussy boy. Me, name pussy, you know. As a fellow pussy, no found a Jamaican boy when me hear a talk about Bono. This no way. Well, we are name pussy long time as general boy. And no for we a bad man. Big Glock power we so we girl pussy in our face. You know that. You know that. Black in our waist, pussy in our face, and we are general. Name out to girl pussy, brawling. You see? So nobody make you look like I officer alone. Oh, I want a blood clot boy, and name out and girl a good pussy. You know. All we as general. Don't put it on squad there, Lord. Squad your bad no bomb buckler squaddy. You girl should have never put out his squaddy. He's a wicked blood clot Jezebel. He's a Jezebel. You Jezebel girl, you should have never put out squaddy like that. What squaddy do? Nothing more than Squaddy tell us saying on your mouth your pussy again 3 man married. But Squaddy, I know the people in government carry on your mouth your pussy so wedding ring brawling pan finger. Your face brawling pan. Brother, you not suck pussy with no caution, bad man. You just on your mouth pussy so you never see your other video. Mommy, if you near me pussy, me not say no. If you near me, man, if you near me, if you do it, you should shut up fucking put him out. But brother, you near me pussy so brawling. You know under your blood clot wife. Why you near me pussy so brawling? It look like you don't look up in the camera to see you know what I want. You know what I want. So what I want? And what kind of understanding your mama have? Oh, mama do this now. Why mama do this now? Can you look like one little freak long time? Me see it in your eyes, me see it in your mouth corner, me see it. Me see it. And your mama pussy just stick. Me see it just stickly and you play up in a mama hole in the tip of your tongue and yeah, boy. How your wife a go feel? Brother, you know. Me say I'm hurt himself. What you want to hurt yourself for? Eh? You know say your fucking wife. I and pussy so brawling pan tape. He's a fool. No, you want to go hang yourself. Don't hang yourself. You're wicked. You do that. That's the way all that girl video. You know say your face I get pan camera. You near me pussy and you never care. Why you want to harm yourself now? True, you want deacon, that's what I tell you about them church people, you know. Come here, pardon my French. Enough church girl me fuck. Big man thing. Church girl fuck, freak you fuck. You see? You see on a freak your blood clot church girl? Yeah man. Yeah man, I don't want to freak me out. You remember? Yes girl. Oh no look at church girl a freak. So no do make you look like I deacon alone. Me fuck no for blood clot. Oh no come like oh no bad oh no name of anything in the name of Jesus, you know. Me tell you that bomba clot in a church girl. And so now do it and quiet, oh no brawling with it, a bad man. Hey, pussy clot. Oh Jesus. Mama. Anytime you buck one girl, she tells her she a Christian a freak that. Bitch. Big old freak. Let me tell you something about church people. A retired whore and sodomite and Jezebel them. All of them what you see in a church, the whole of them are retired whore, sodomite and Jezebel. Them the fuck you and clean off any part of your rear pussy, body, any blood clot where them the name out. Christian people, them they freak you fuck. So nobody don't want you nobody come about a Christian. When you say Christian married for you say Christian and married a freak you say. It's like a freak you say. Nobody say Christian and married a freak them there. Lose which job? If Jamaica want lose job because of blood clot people and your mouth pussy. Well, it's a part of the boogery law as I did tell you say, you know, you need to go look up the boogery law. This week for my show, I want everybody to come prepared. Real talk with Dan on my channel. You understand how it goes? Real talk. So make sure when you come, you know what is the boogery law. I want to know what is sodomism and sodomite and rape. Make sure you come with all of these things, alright? Nobody can come tell me say him a blood clot Christian and him a deacon. Him blood clot rape. No! And them they the freak and dog shit them. In our church, you all them the Batman pastor. They want Batman pastor. 3/4 Jamaica pastor, them a Batman. Be little boys, them a fuck and the name of little boys hood. Every one of them look retired Batman as them done with you. Suck off, you look cocky them about the place. Then gone in a church, gone turn deacon. They look retired freak them. In a church, then gone find Jesus because them a repent. See, you think I like me? I tell, go in a church right now. Behave some girl who used to sell pussy. All of them come in there with testimony. No testimony. All of them that what them go with. A pussy hold them. And then they want to judge people every blood clot. They say, no, the deacon and your mouth, the pussy brawling, the deacon police. A sodomize the girl in the back of the government vehicle. Oh, you mean? Name out the girl pussy brawling, yes. Name me out. You fi name out girl pussy fi get name out. So now go like how now alone can release girl and suck off.